In today's video, we are going to show you how to download an EDPUZZLE video. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your teacher account and go to the left side panel of the dashboard and click the My Content, because this is where all the videos you have created or saved are stored. Now, if you want to download a specific video, I want you to click the video that you wanted. For example, in this case, I wanted to download this video that I have created. Now, if you can see the three dot option on the top right corner next to the video, click download if available or applicable. Okay, so let me tell you, if the download option is available, just click the download. Then choose where you want to save the file on your device. However, if you can't find the download option, that means that is disabled for that specific video. It usually happens because of the video source rights. Okay, so it works with the videos imported from YouTube or other third-party platforms. Okay, and basically that's it for today's video on how to download an EDPUZZLE video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.